Hey guys, EST here, and we're joined by these fine flammables and the cheapest ferro rod I could find on eBay and the cheapest ferro rod I could find at Harbor Freight. I believe both of these were between $1 and $2. So we're going to see if these can light these. And this isn't like some educational video with a point. I actually have no idea if any of these could light with a ferro rod, so I'm learning right along with you. Alright, so this one's got blade, and then I guess you're supposed to put your finger here on this weird serrated area that's kind of sharp. You could imagine how that happened. Let's just give her a couple test sparks. Oh, okay, I almost landed it on the cotton ball. There we go. This is a plain cotton ball, and this one has a little bit of petroleum jelly on it. So let's see if this one lights. Oh, there we go. Okay. There it is. All right, well, we all know this will burn for about 10 years, so I'll go ahead and handle that. Probably shouldn't be using paper. All right, well, let's test this one. It's got a serrated side. I think you're supposed to saw off, I think this is magnesium, and that just goes up, but there's no bladed side. Interesting. Well, it's good at making sparks along this. I think a knife would be a lot better. Yeah, these... Well, oh, that got there. Okay, maybe I just need to... Oh. Here we go. Oh, wow, come on, jeez. There it is. Okay, that one's just stupid. You gotta get so close to it. That's just dumb. All right, well, it's burning. Let's try the hybrid here. We got the nicer blade, and, ooh, hello. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna try for the rest of the test. All right, next up, well, it wouldn't be my channel unless we had a diethylene glycol burner, aka a super clean burning cooking chafer. This is a 6-hour burn time, 290 watts thermal output on average. Not bad. You can get a couple of these, you can actually heat a small house. And the carbon monoxide off of this is pretty much indetectable according to my equipment. So let's see if we can light it with this. My guess is no. This is actually really hard to light, but I added a little extra wick room here. Let's find out. Oh, that was a couple direct hits. I don't know. It's hard enough to get these lit with a lighter, actually. Let's just shower it. Oh, I need sunglasses. Dang. Well, an absolute bombardment didn't do it. I don't know. I'll keep trying, but I don't know. I just don't think it's going to happen. This stuff actually is not flammable on its own, the fuel. It needs a wick. So if you were to spill it, you can't light a puddle even with a torch lighter like this. But, okay, that barely lit it, and this thing is, like, ridiculous. So, it almost went out. Oh, God, we've got all kinds of fun stuff popping and crackling. Yeah, that means it hit it. I don't know. It's barely going. You can just barely see it. Yeah, okay, well, that's a no. Let's try a slightly different one, though. Hey, I guess we're going to get some use out of this after all. Look at that. All right, so this is gelled alcohol. I think it's methanol. It's not isopropyl, but whatever it is, clean burning alcohol, so ought to have no problem landing this in there. I think this will light it. This stuff goes up. Really? I would have thought that would have done it. All right, bombardment time. Wow. Okay, I saw some pretty hot stuff hit it and then bounce. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Okay. So it's kind of borderline, might vary by brand, but it did get going. And yes, it is a virtually invisible flame. Hopefully it's showing up on the camera. Yeah, I'll take you and see something. But yeah, take my word for it. There's some very dim blue flames. Oh yeah, look at that. Very hot. Okay, well, these have a higher thermal output anyway, a little over 400 watts. But they only have a 2-hour burn time, and when they get down there, they get a little fumy. Okay, just in case it acted like a dragon's breath flamethrower, I thought, let's try a candle. Now I'm just at, let's just get this one out of the way, because I think we all know what's going to happen. Oh my, it is absolutely peppered, but yeah, nothing, obviously. Now this one I'm really curious about. So this is just regular hand sanitizer, probably about 60-70% alcohol. Oh, 62%, might have been a refill. Let's just put a dab out there. And I've actually tried this before with a lighter and it wouldn't light. So I don't know if I just had some weird mix or some safety first, fire suppressant version. I've heard of people having hand sanitizer on them lighting on fire. Let's try it. Oh, I saw a little something go. Oh, yeah. Okay, you can't really see it, but there is a blue flame. Oh, that's hot. It's trying to... There you go. You might not be able to see it, but yeah, it did light on fire. Okay, that didn't take much. Well... All right, I've enlarged the target slightly just for efficiency here. Let's try it. Oh, I'm pretty sure I hit that. Okay, I saw a couple land right in it. Is it on fire? No, it is not. I mean, these are hot, but that's a liquid. It would have to, like, ignite the vapors, I think, which is very minimal. I don't know, because a torch will cause it to evaporate really quickly when it heats it up. These do the opposite. They kind of cool off. Okay, I landed some pretty hot boys in there and nothing happened, so, well, might as well dispose of it the fun way. Yeah, that didn't take much. It's actually on fire right now. Once again, you just can't see it. All right, let's try some of the more interesting things, because I know this paper towel will go up pretty good with a lighter. I suppose I'll convert it to one ply. There you go. The thinner, the better. Well, that's, yeah, not much to that. I'll try bunched up and flat and see what we can get here. Well, I suppose. There we go. Oh, that's right. I'm using the crappy striker that doesn't do anything. Okay, if you buy this one at Harbor Freight for like $1.50, replace the striker. Just put a small knife in there, whatever you gotta do. Oh, I saw a little smoke. I found the air bombardment to be a good technique. Okay, come on. I saw hot coals bouncing around. I see some char marks. Come on. I just don't think it's hot enough. I don't think it stays hot enough to transfer the heat to the material. That's my theory. Oh, come on. You guys saw the glow on that. Let me see if I can replay that. I'm going to put that as just not going to happen. Maybe like a facial tissue or toilet paper, but I don't know. Like paper is kind of an insulator. These just don't carry energy. Let's see if a little rubbing alcohol, 91%, will change it. There we go. Should get slightly different performance here, hopefully. Oh, I could already smell that vaporizing. I better watch my hand. Oh, wow, this is getting pretty blunt already. Jeez. Not much to this, but of course I'm striking it 10 million times. Oh, I thought I saw something. Really? I am extremely surprised by this. All right. There it is. Okay, yeah, air bombardment. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I'm going to cook my camera. Hold up. Okay, had to move the camera there for safety. It was getting a little cooked, but yeah, that went up after I absolutely bombarded it. So the air bombardment technique, it'll blunt the crap out of your ferro rod, but it does work. If it was summer, this would have worked. It is currently winter. It's right around... what is it, like 10 Celsius or something, like right around 30, 40 Fahrenheit, somewhere in between there, depending upon the sun. And this stuff doesn't vaporize very well, actually, in cold temperatures. So let's see if just like a spot of it will light up. Because it's actually kind of hard to light this stuff, like when it's even colder than this, let alone right now. All right, let's just put a little dab right here. There we go. And see what we can get. I gotta get to it quick because it vaporizes. Oh, there it is. One shot. How that worked better than... Oh, here we go again. So how that worked better than the paper towel is beyond me. I think maybe the paper towel soaked it up and prevented it from vaporizing as well. I don't know. Maybe the pan heated up. I guess that's probably... Because I would have expected more of a result like that. So I'm going to call it a pass with a little asterisk about, well, don't try it when it's like -10 out. I think the lesson from all of this is if you don't want to mess around for a couple minutes and try and set some up and maybe it'll work, carry a lighter as well and have this be the backup. All right, before we go to the fun finale with the propane burner, I want to find out, is this an aluminum oxide knife sharpener that you just, sharpen your knife on, or is this a brick of magnesium where you kind of scrape off the powder and then it goes up like crazy, like a flare? Let's find out. All right, we got a big pile of powder here. If it's magnesium, we should find out pretty easily with this. Oh my. Not one spark. Oh, well, there was a little something, but that might have just been some leftover ferrite. Oh, yeah. I think that's aluminum. I already regret this, but if this is a brick of magnesium, I know one way to find out. Oh, God. Yeah, I don't think it is. I think it's a aluminum oxide knife sharpener. Interesting. I mean, I guess if you're going to blunt your knife on the ferrite, yeah, I think this is the superior one due to length, cost, and local availability. But either one works. So let's go on to the final test. All right, certainly the most interesting one and definitely the most dangerous. We're going to try a propane burner, and if it lights, I'm making burgers. I'll be honest with you, I'm making burgers whether it lights or not. I got to get to this one quick. This is going to be something because I'm in a garage right now. I mean, it's open, but I don't want to lose my eyebrows. All right, let's go. Even if this works, I wouldn't advise it unless it's an emergency, if that wasn't clear. I don't think I can put enough. Okay. Really? Oh, there it is. Okay, so that was a dangerous amount that hit the air. I'm already smelling that. I think I should probably back up. But it is hot enough. And I mean, it's oxygen, it's fuel. One of these cruises through the air, doesn't hit the metal yet to lose all of its energy. Yeah, it's doable. So don't turn it up too high. Don't let it go for more than about probably 10 seconds. I wouldn't even recommend doing it in an enclosed area, although the wind is a factor. And only use a ferro rod to light these in an emergency, because you're going to get some snap, crackle, pop material sitting in the reservoir there that'll jump scare you later. But wow, that was a success on almost every count there. So a couple surprises in there, but yeah, ferro rods, get them. You can get a 10-pack of these on, the typical eBay, AliExpress, Amazon, whatever, for, I think it was like 17, 18 bucks. Otherwise, Harbor Freight, if you got one of those near you, you got this one, which is a little bit longer. And the striker is crap, though. So, hey, it's me from the future editing this. It occurred to me that they actually just sell longer ones. So I bought the shortest one just because I thought, oh, let's test like the worst, cheapest, most awful one. And then if that works, then there's no need to buy a better one. Well, there kind of is. That striker is really sturdy. Looks like some kind of high carbon steel or something nice. And you don't really want to be damaging like a full knife. So why not use the mini knife? So I would say just buy like the 4 or 5 inch version of it. It's not that much more. And then really just skip the Harbor Freight one, although the knife sharpener is kind of nice. I mean, it is a 2-for-1. Or do what I did and get both. If you want to see more cheap gear reviews and other cool stuff, like what can and can't boil water, which was extremely surprising, check out the rest of the vids on my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.